Which of these options do you think will be the right option for this question? WASSCE 2024 September edition. Question number 2. A building is 12 meters high. A football on the ground floor is 30 meters away from the foot of the building. We have to find, correct, to the nearest degree, the angle of diffraction of the ball from the top of the building. So this is an application of what? Trigonometry. The best option is to make a sketch of that diagram. So let's see what will be the dimension. And a building will always be on the ground. So let's make our line that will be demarcating the ground. Then let's say we have this as the building, which is going to be perpendicular on the ground. So we have our 12 meters high. So this is how tall the building is. So this is going to be the ground floor. So the ball could be anywhere from here. We measure up to 30 meters. So let's say we have 30 meters is here. So the ball is here as 30 meters away. Then let's connect the top of the building to where the ball is. Good. Now we need to find the angle of diffraction. What is angle of diffraction? Angle of diffraction is the angle fall from below a horizontal line. So this is going to be, this is horizontal, so angle fall below it. In this case, there is no horizontal at the top. So we have to indicate a horizontal line there, which will serve as the one we are going to consider to find the angle. So that simply means that this is the angle of diffraction that we are looking for. So that's the angle of diffraction. So if this line we draw is parallel to the ground, then it means that this angle will be alternating to this angle. This line becomes a transverse. So I'll be indicating here as also 30 theta degrees, which means if I know this angle, then I found the angle of diffraction as well. So what will I do? This becomes a right angle triangle. Therefore, where the angle is facing become the opposite side. Then where the opposite side is perpendicular to the adjacent, then the longer side become the hypotenuse. We have to go back to our SOHCAHTOA, right? And in the SOHCAHTOA, we are going to get rid of one side that is not needed in our calculation. We have a dimension for opposite, so we need it. Dimension for adjacent, we need it. The hypotenuse has no dimension, so we discard the hypotenuse and cross it out from the acronym that contains hypotenuse, which is SO and CA, leaving us with only what? The tan. The tan is the tangent of the said angle equals to the O opposite, that is 12, A the adjacent. So this is what we are going to have as what? 30, all in meters, which will cancel. We are looking for this. So in the nutshell, it means we have to divide by what? The tan. And if we divide by the tan, it becomes tan inverse. So that means the theta I am looking for will just be the tan inverse and the indices of 12 on what? The 30. You can decide to break it down, but you can decide to put all in the calculator at once to see what that will give us. And that will be giving us 21.8014 in this dimension. But we are looking for the nearest word, degree, meaning nearest whole number. So that will mean that the angle of diffraction is going to be 21, approximated with 1 coming here become what? 22 what? Degree. And width of this option is becoming this as what? The answer. So A become the right option for this question. And I believe you get the concept. you understood every bit of it. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. Share with somebody. Subscribe to the channel if you have not. And God will bless you.